Hello friends, there is a question: scratching dandruff psoriasis treatment. Many times people coin scalp psoriasis in different ways. So we can divide it: scratching, dandruff and scalp psoriasis. So number one, he wants to ask how to stop scratching and dandruff and how to get rid of scalp psoriasis. The number one question, the half part is about how to control scratching and how to control dandruff. Number one, why do you get a scratching? You get a scratching because there is an accumulation of excessive skin, that is dandruff, on your scalp, and gradually as the new skin comes up, the dandruff or the excessive scales, they wanted to separate from the skin, and when they separate from the skin, a living skin, so there is an irritation and that causes a sensation called as a scratching. And when you scratch, the scales come up in your nails, or when you just rub your hair, the dandruff falls off. So that is a dead skin that comes out, and that is really an irritating sensation, and people wants to control it. And while controlling the methods that they use, those methods itself aggravate and increase psoriasis. That is, they scratch with nails, they cause bleeding, and in nails there are a lot of bacteria. They insert the bacteria and infection, then it causes an infection and pus in the scalp, and it increases the psoriasis. So there should be a normal, easy, harmless way of controlling scratching and controlling dandruff. That I will explain you first. So how to control the scratching? First of all, if you have a scalp psoriasis, you keep your hair short. If you keep your hair short and if you just rub your hair, the dandruff falls off automatically. It dries also fast. When it dries, it falls off. But if your hair are long, it gets entangled in the hair. It causes deep irritation and severe itching. So keep your hair short, number one. Number two, wash your hair daily. And while washing, you use some normal shampoos, mild shampoos. If you use anti-dandruff shampoos, they are strong, they can irritate your skin and they can aggravate the psoriasis. So use mild shampoos. And after washing with mild shampoos, use conditioners, because after washing the dandruff goes off, but the skin becomes dry because of the shampoo, and you need a conditioner to soften the skin that will control your itching. Otherwise the itching will be more. So you use the moisturizer, that is you use the conditioner. So that way you can manage the scratching. Second thing, always remember that you can do, if you come in the evening, then again you can wash your hair, but don't use the shampoos frequently. Use it only 2 to 3 times a week. And whenever you wash, just wash with plain water, and always use conditioner every time after you wash your hair, because conditioner is a soothing for your skin. It will control the itching. This way you can control the scratching. Now the scalp psoriasis. So how to stop this scalp psoriasis? So psoriasis, although a skin disease, it is not an infection. So by applying any antibacterial or anti-dandruff lotions, it is not going to help you. Since it is an autoimmune disorder, you need the treatment to control your immunity, and homeopathic medicines are there to correct the defect in the immunity. So if you take homeopathic medicines for a certain period of time, and then when your dandruff and scalp psoriasis is gone, it is gone forever. You don't need a treatment again. On the other hand, there are treatment in modern scientific medicine that give the lotions which help you to escalate the dandruff and to control it for some time, but every time the new phase comes, it comes more severe, and gradually it goes on spreading behind your ears, on your forehead and on your body, and psoriasis goes on increasing. So that's why it is written in modern science, yes, psoriasis is treatable, it can be controlled, but it cannot be cured. That is, you control for some time, but it is bound to increase every time. Do you want to get rid of the tendency of psoriasis? Then go for the homeopathic treatment. And Psoriatrit is the expert institute which has been working to control psoriasis and cure psoriasis for last 38 years. Thank you.